Good morning, grade 6. So today we're just going to go over the last two lessons we took, which is energy on the move and energy changing form. So here we can see that electricity transfers energy, and transfer means moves from one place to another and changes form from one form to another. So we know that batteries are a store of chemical energy. Now when we connect the batteries to a circuit, this energy transfers to electrical energy. So here we have an example of fans. Then the fan moves, and this is kinetic energy. The lamp gives light and heat. These are light energy and heat energy coming from the electricity. So we know that each appliances and these supplies, all of them need electricity to work. Here we have a list of useful things we might find in an office, which of them with electrical energy to make them work. Let's look at them one by one. A desk lamp, it needs electricity. I'm going to underline it. A telephone needs electricity. Scissors, they don't need electricity. A computer needs electricity. Stapler, it does not need an electricity. Which are supplied with electrical energy to make them work? The desk lamp, the telephone, and the computer. Now, energy spreading out. Here we know that when stored heat, we call it thermal energy. This thermal energy gets lost very, very fast because the heat radiates and spreads out to the atmosphere. Now, energy spreading out from a hot object is called heat energy. It spreads out from a hot object. Here, this is called heat energy. Also, if an object is very hot, it starts to glow and it gives out light energy. So this is another type of energy spreading out. We have heat from hot objects. We have light from objects that are too hot or that have electricity attached to it, like the lights. It spreads in all directions and gives colorful lights. We know that a light bulb is a good example. We know when we attach lights to a wire, the electricity goes through the light and then they turn on. This is now called light energy. Now let's look at sound spreading out. What is sound, or what is sound energy? Sound energy, it's when particles of the air move and vibrate, and this makes the sound move around in the air. This carries the sound to our ears. So if you bang on a drum, it vibrates. We hear the bang of a drum, and this also with any other instrument and with our voices when we speak. So this is called sound. Okay? Now what we know from this lesson, that energy can be transferred from one place to another, one form to another, one object to another, and it can be expressed by electricity, by heat, by light. Okay?